Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on.